Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to explore in detail the latest electric fat bike from Engwe, a new manufacturer of high quality e-bikes. The Engwe E26 is not just another e-bike, it's a perfect blend of design, performance and functionality, making it a ideal choice for riders looking for powerful and versatility in one vehicle. A powerful 250 watts motor with a 70 Nm torque, great for flat roads and steeper climbs in nature, 26-inch fat tires for stability and safety on any terrain, offering up to 140 km of range on one charge, perfect for long rides. Now let's dive into the details in this Engwe E26 high-step video review. The Engwe E26 immediately leaves a strong impression with its robust and well-made design. The matte Galaxy Grey model we tested looks modern and elegant, and the bike is also available in a yellow and a blue color. The frame is made of a solid 6061 aluminum alloy, providing an optimal ratio of strength and lightweight. It adds ultimate stability and safety to the ride on every terrain. Precision welded joints and flawless paint finish further confirm Engwe's commitment to quality. At the heart of this e-bike is a 250 watts brushless motor that delivers 70 Nm of torque. While it may not sound impressive on the paper, the Engwe's power becomes apparent as soon as you step on the pedals. Acceleration is smooth and controlled, providing a stable and comfortable driving experience. The Shimano 7-speed transmission enables easy and precise shifting, adapting to different terrains effortlessly. The factory has limited the top speed to the 25 km per hour, complying with the EU regulations, but this limit can be removed, achieving a top speed over 45 km per hour. The bike is powered by the 48-watt 16-amp-hour lithium battery, elegantly integrated into the frame for aesthetically pleasing look, but also for added safety. The battery is removable and lockable, allowing for easy charging at the home or at the work. A fully charge takes around 5 to 6 hours, and the bike offers an impressive range of 110 to 140 km in pedal assist mode or 50 to 80 km in all-electric mode. These features make it an excellent choice for everyday city rides, longer trips or weekend adventures in nature. The E26 fat bike is designed with the comfort in mind, and one of the key elements contributing to that is its wide and comfortable saddle. This seat is well padded, offering a soft and supportive ride even on longer journeys. The saddle's design also ensures that it stays in place, providing a stable base for the rider during various terrains and conditions, with a limited shock absorber in the seat post. The bike comes equipped with the suspension in the front fork that is adjustable and can be completely turned off. The stroke is quite deep, which helps ensure a smooth and enjoyable riding experience while maintaining stability and control. Thick white tires also contribute to the comfort as well as stability, featuring 26 by 4 inches tires for stability on various terrains. The bike offers an off-road variant with fat tires, ensuring optimal performance, provides a remarkable grip on various surfaces, guaranteeing unmatched stability and control on any terrain. This e-bike supports a maximum rider weight of 150 kg, which means it's suitable for a wide range of riders, and the height adjustment allows a comfortable ride for people between 160 to 195 cm tall. Whether you are shorter or taller, the E26 offers a custom feel, making it a good fit for many different body types and riding preferences. Engwe E26 has several key features on the handlebars that enhance control and riding comfort. Positioned centrally on the handlebar is a high-quality LCD bike computer with a bright, full-color display that remains clearly visible in any conditions. This screen provides essential rating data, including speed, battery level, pedal assist level, total range, trip distance, and average speed, allowing riders to monitor their journey with ease. To the left of the display there is a bicycle bell. Unlike any standard bell, it's designed in the shape of a traditional bell and produces a clear, loud sound. It may seem like a small detail, but this bell is exceptionally well made and outshines those found on the even more expensive e-bikes. Now next to the bell you find the power switch for the bike, the headlight control, and the plus-minus button for adjusting pedal assist levels and engine power. On the right side of the handlebar there is a throttle along with the Shimano 7-speed gear shifter. This transmission system enables smooth and efficient gear changes, allowing riders to easily adapt their speed and power for different terrains and inclines. With the multiple speed settings, the Engwe E26 is capable of reaching an impressive top speed of 45 km per hour when using the half-twist with throttle. However, in accordance with the EU regulations, the factory default speed is restricted to the 25 km. For those who require higher speeds, the limitation can be adjusted and removed. Each of these elements contributes to the intuitive and enjoyable riding experience, ensuring that the Engwe E26 remains a well-balanced e-bike that prioritizes both performance and user comfort. The bike is equipped with a powerful 180mm discs. At the top of the line, hydraulic brakes. The levers are ergonomically designed, comfortable under the fingers, and allow you for extremely smooth braking. Given the size and weight of this e-bike, hydraulic brakes are necessary and mechanical ones simply wouldn't be enough to safely stop this powerful machine. When it comes to safety, Engwe has not skimped on the details. The E26 comes equipped with a bright LED headlight, which perfectly illuminates the road ahead and makes you visible from a distance. Additionally, the bike is equipped with electronic taillights that are automatically activated when braking, improve your visibility and safety in any situation. In addition to the lights, there are reflectors on the pedals, the rear and the sides of the wheels, which further increases visibility from all other angles. The E26 also offers several practical accessories that increase functionality and riding comfort. Front and rear metal mudguards come as a standard, which is extremely useful for riding in rainy or muddy terrain. The rear luggage rack is another practical addition with a load capacity of up to 25 kg. If you are planning a shopping trip or need extra space for your belongings, the rack is come in handy, making the bike the perfect companion for everyday tasks. The E26 is a versatile and extremely well-designed electric bike that meets all the key features for comfortable and reliable ride. Its excellent build quality is visible in every detail, clearly demonstrating Engwe's commitment to creating premium e-bikes that are durable and reliable. Whether you use it for everyday city commuting, exploring off-road trails, or simply enjoying a weekend ride, the E26 offers the ideal balance and comfort, power and style. The long-lasting battery and the wide all-terrain tires make it the perfect companion for various adventures, no matter the conditions. If you are looking for an e-bike that combines practicality and performance, the E26 could be the perfect choice for you. Check out the official sales links below this video and take advantage of the current promotional prices to get your Engwe E26 high-step model today while you still have a chance. That's all for now. Be sure to like and subscribe, and to see you soon in the new video review. Until then, happy pedaling, bye.